Hello boys and girls, welcome back to another flipped video. Today we are going to be talking about the difference between multiplication and division. Yesterday we talked about what division is, so today we're going to talk about when you use division and when you use multiplication. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So just like when we did with the addition and subtraction video, here are some clue words that'll help you out. So if you see the word product, we know from our oh yeah word that product means multiplication. If you see times, obviously that's multiplication. If you see total or in all, that's going to mean multiplication, which are also clue words for addition, but that's because multiplication is just repeated addition. If you see in each, and you'll also see that each is over here, each, you can't that's going to sometimes be multiplication, sometimes it's going to be division. So you're going to have to really think that how exactly it's used. So for division, quotient, which is a new word for you, just means the addition to a division problem. Obviously divided down here is going to mean division as well. On each, that's going to be, like I said over here with multiplication, each can mean multiplication or division, so you have to really analyze what the word problem is asking you. This talks about putting stuff into groups. That's going to be division, or if it's talking about separating things out, that's going to be division. Basically, division is when they give you a total and you're breaking it up, while multiplication is they give you parts and you want to get the total. So let's talk through some examples here. So our first example, it says the 3 fishermen caught 24 fish. If each caught about the same, how many did they each catch? So I'm going to underline and circle, my keywords there. I see 3 is there, 24, each is a clue word, each is a clue word, same, I know that's going to be a clue word. Here's my question, so let me box it out. So I know that they have 24 fish total. That's how many they have in all. But I know it's not just one person caught it, it said 3 people. So I know that would be 3 groups of fishermen, each caught 24. And then if I'm just going and doing all of my groups, if I did it this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So I see that there are 8 in each, so 8 is there. Could have solved this a couple other ways, that there are 3 fishermen times something equals 24, and I know 8 goes there. Or I could have done repeated subtraction. However, bottom line here, they gave us the total amount, the 24 fish. They told us how many it was broken up by, and we wanted to know how many they each caught. So as long as you're really thinking about these word problems and analyzing them, it's really easy there. You see same, that means equal. There's a lot of important things there. So let's do another example. It said the boy went fishing for 7 days in a row. Each day he caught 3 fish. How many fish did he catch in all? So there is numbers that I need to underline, clue words in all, each day, caught, and there's my question there. I don't have anything to cross off, so I need to think about this. He went 7 days of fishing, and each day he caught 3 fish, so that means on the first day he got 3 fish, on the second day he got 3 fish, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, and seventh day. And catching them means he's adding, so we're adding those all up. And repeated addition is just multiplication, so rather than adding all those up, I could have done 7 times 3, which would give me 21. I wouldn't want to do 7 plus 3, even though it says in all, because 21 is much bigger than 10, and that would give me the wrong thing. So I had to really think about it. I even, as you see, I sketched it out, that each day he got 7 fish. Sketching it out sometimes helps. Could have drawn groups, could have done a whole bunch of things, but I knew that this was a multiplication problem because he was going and doing the same thing over and over and over, so he's adding more fish to his collection, and so I was able to figure that out. Alright, your solve and bring back to school problems for today are the number first one says that the girl went to the store. In each aisle, she picked up 5 items. After visiting 6 aisles, how many items did she have total? So I want you to figure out, is this a multiplication problem or is it a division problem? After you figured that out, I want you to solve it too. The next problem, number 2, says the mother cooked 16 hamburgers for 4 people. If they each got an equal amount, how many did each get? So, again, is this multiplication or is it division? I want you to also solve it and bring it back to school. So there's your solve, bring back to school problems, and I'll see you in the morning.